জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
I don't understand anything. Mother?
Ma'am, all of you are asked to come downstairs. The party has already started.
Mother? Mother, why did you leave? Why didn't you tell me the solution? Why didn't you tell me anything? What do I do now? What do I do now, Mother? What do I do now, Mother? What will I do? Mother, why did you leave? Why did you leave, Mother?
Nayan!
Nayan! Nayan!
Why?
Nayan! Don't cry in this way, Nayan. Hey, Rangana, get some water quickly. I need to sprinkle water on Nayan's face. Hurry up!
Oh my lord! Rangana has fainted! She has fainted! Oh, Pratima!
Hey, Rangana! What happened to you? Rangana! Rangana! Ghost! Ghost! There's a ghost! Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
There's a ghost!
Keep quiet. Your aunt and my elder sister-in-law had appeared. Nayan could see her. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Nayan, calm down. Don't cry so much. You will fall sick, Nayan. Ma'am. Look, ma'am, the party has started outside. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't stop Drupto from announcing Jasmine's name today. But I can't let him marry her, ma'am. I can never let that happen.
Please come, please come. Welcome.
Please
This
come.
way. He must be around. He's inside. Please come in.
Please
Come in. Enjoy yourself. Hey, Dripto, we were looking for you. Where were you? The guests have arrived. Huh?
Where is Nayan? Why isn't she here? Is she busy gathering proof?
Dripto, what happened? Who are you looking for?
No, well, I was asking where the others are.
Others as in Mom, Rangana and Jasmine, right? They must be getting ready.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, where is Jeet? Isn't he at home even today?
Oh my lord! Oh my lord! Oh my lord!
Hey, what have you done? Yes?
What could I have done? It was you who applied the brakes.
Yeah, so I had to. There was a bike in the front, so I had to. I couldn't have hit it. And this is not one way that you were driving so fast, yes?
Strange. It was your fault, but you are blaming me instead.
Oh my lord!
It's my fault. It's my fault. This is your fault. Just look at it. Look what you have done to my boot. It's crying as if it's hurt.
Oh my lord!
But how can the boot cry? What's the matter?
What's there in your boot?
What can be inside the boot? Such strange questions you ask.
Who is making that sound if there's nothing, you tell me?
What do you mean? And what are you trying to say? What are you thinking? What can be there inside the boot? You'll see. Come, I'll show you. Come here. Ah! You... what are you doing here? Yes?
Oh my
Hey,
lord! I got in to clean it, but I forgot to get down.
What?
You're asking me weird questions. What was I doing in it? I'm going to your place with you to meet Nayan.
You said that you wouldn't sign it if you are explained what was written in it. Will you sign it if I explain it to you? Dripto, nothing happened. Actually, she got tea for me in a very expensive cup and she broke that cup. That's why she is scared. That's it.
Everything depends on you. You need to stop the marriage at any cost. At any cost.
Okay, let me admit that you wouldn't lie in my mom's name. But will you be able to prove that my mom doesn't like Jasmine? But if you cannot prove it, then I will get married only to Jasmine and no one else. If you can prove it before the party starts, then I won't announce Jasmine's name at the party. But if you can't,
You need to stop the marriage at any cost.
but if you cannot prove it, then I will get married only to Jasmine.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't prove it. I couldn't. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do anything. I have lost. I have lost. Now how will I face you? What will I say to you, Dripto? Should I tell you that I couldn't collect the proof? That you should marry Jasmine? No. No. I can never say that to Dripto. I can never say that. Mother allotted me this responsibility that I must stop this wedding. I couldn't. I couldn't do it. I couldn't fulfill my responsibility. I couldn't. I couldn't do anything. I won't go. I won't attend the party. I won't attend it. I won't.
Hey, why are you not going to the party?
Hey, where are you going? Sir allotted all the responsibilities regarding this party to you, but you are refusing to attend it? That's not possible.
Hey, you must come. The party won't be a success if you don't attend. Anything can happen at any time. If some disaster happens in your absence, who will protect us? Tell me.
Please spare me. Please let me go. Hey, let her go. Let her go. Why are you troubling her? No, Nayan. Don't come to the party. How can you hear your husband's marriage announcement? Tell me.
All right. You better stay here. You want to cry, right? Go on. Cry, cry. Hey, let's go, let's go. Let's not disturb her. Oh my, she's suffering a lot. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, let's not disturb her.
I won't go. I won't go anywhere. I won't go out of this room. I won't go anywhere. I won't go even if they call me. I won't go. I won't be able to face Tripto anymore. But Lourdes, a bigger danger is on its way. Will Dripto get married to Jasmine? How will I prevent the danger then? You hinted at a grave danger, Lourdes. How will I prevent that danger? Won't I be able to do anything? Why did you give me a hint then, Lourdes? Why?
I won't go. I won't attend the party. I won't attend the party. I am not going. I won't go.
What is this, Jasmine? Why aren't you ready yet? The guests are here. What are you doing? Come on, change your clothes. Come on, go.
No. No. I won't attend the party. I won't attend the party.
What? You won't attend the party. Why?
Mrs. Basu, please. I can't attend the party.
Don't be childish, Jasmine. How can you not attend the party?
Mrs. Basu, you don't understand. You don't understand. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Scared? Why? Tripto is going to announce your name today.
That's what
But
I'm
you are-
scared of, Mrs. Basu. That's what I'm scared of.
What?
I'm not able to figure it out, Mrs. Basu. What if Dripto doesn't announce my name as his chosen partner at the party, Mrs. Basu? No way. I will be humiliated again.
Jasmine, look at me, Jasmine. Dripto will say your name at tonight's party. I assure you, he will take your name. Don't be so upset. Moreover, it was your plan to drug Nayan and make her reveal the truth at the party, right? Don't worry. Come on, get ready. Go. Immediately, okay?
Right. I must take revenge. I will make Nayan so drunk today that she will create a scene at the party and make the party successful. I will make her reveal the truth. And the people of this house will throw her out. It will be just one blow, but 2 jobs will be done. Then I will be relieved in true sense.
I'll make sure that I attend the party at your house today.
Get in the car right away. Come, get inside. I'll drop you home. I said get in the car.
I see. Won't you take me along? Won't you take me to your home? But I'm saying politely that please take me home.
No, I won't take you there.
All right, hold on. Hey, listen. He's my sister's brother-in-law. And he is not ready to take me to their home to meet my sister. Do you know why? Because they torture my sister. They make my sister suffer. And if I find that out, then
Hey, quiet. Keep quiet. And you all please leave. This girl is crazy. She's talking nonsense.
What? I'm crazy? I'm talking nonsense. See, everyone. See what he's saying. He's calling me crazy. Actually, they torture my sister. He's trying to hide that by saying all of this.
Oh, Lord. She's putting me in trouble. What do I do now?
See, he's quiet. He's not saying anything. Did you see? Actually, he's quiet as I exposed the truth in public. Oh, sir, please do some justice. Otherwise, I'll sit on the road here.
Hey, what are you saying? What nonsense are you talking about?
It's you who's talking nonsense. It seems the girl is telling the truth.
That's it. You're also commenting now. No one will let go of any chance. Whether it's you or her, you have to say nonsense. Hey, come on. Get in the car. You have to meet your sister, right? I'll take you to her. Come on. And what are you all doing here? Come on, go to your house. And you, sister, you won't be at peace until you meet her, right? As if you're so concerned about her.
So, are you really taking me to your home? Are you?
Yes, I'll take you. But listen, if you utter a single word, I'll throw you out of the car.
Will you?
Yes, I will.
Will you?
Yes, I will.
What do you think? Aren't there people on the road? I'll get out of the car
Lord,
and I'll
okay,
scream.
fine. Sorry, I made a mistake. Get in the car.
Why isn't Nayan here yet?
Please come.
Hi, Dripto. We are so excited about tonight's party. You're going to announce the name of your future wife. Who is that lucky girl?
You just have to wait for a while. Dripto will soon announce the name of his future partner.
Excuse me.
Sanjita and Jasmine, are you ready? Oh my lord, Jasmine, you're looking so pretty, huh? Dripta won't be able to take his eyes off you.
Oh, thank you, uncle.
Oh, you're welcome, darling. Come on, please come. Please
Let's
come.
Should I introduce her?
Yes, of course.
Why are you doing this? Please come. What happened?
Nayan couldn't find any solution to stop this marriage. How can I watch Jasmine become Deepu's wife despite knowing everything?
What happened? Why are you standing here?
Let me go, Rangana. I am not liking it here.
Come on. You need to be here. Come on.
What will I do here? I won't be able to stop anything.
Look, Grandma, I can understand your situation. But whenever I think about my friend, I feel my friend can do miracles. Yes. What if Deepu and Chowmeen's alliance gets cancelled at tonight's party? That is why I'm asking you to stay. Come with me. Come on, come.
Deepu? Hey, you are ready. Jasmine is ready too. Make the announcement now. Who are you waiting for?
Hey, what are we waiting for? We shouldn't waste any more time, Dripto. Take the ring and let's go and propose to the girl properly. Come on.
Vicky is right.
Why isn't Nayan coming? Why isn't she showing the proof? She asked for some time, but how long will she take? I need to see her right now. I need to.
Wow, Mrs. Sen. How are you? Vicky.
Yes?
Vicky, come here. See
Oh,
who's
excuse me.
here.
Hello, how are you?
Please come, meet Deepu. Please come. What is this? Where did Deepu go?
Where is Nayan? Don't you understand what I'm asking? Tell me quickly where Nayan is.
Nayan, she is in her room to avoid work. We told her many times that you allotted all the responsibilities to her. How can she just sit in the room? Still, she did not.
I won't go. I won't go and face Tripto at all. I won't be able to face him. I won't go.
Nayan? Nayan, open the door. Nayan, won't you attend the party? Why did you close the door, Nayan? Open the door. Nayan!